Today we are looking at the rear seats and cargo area of this 2024 Kia Carnival SX Prestige. So what kind of luxury and practicality do you get in the back? Let's go ahead and find out. Now let's go ahead and take a look in the back and see what it will be like for your kids back here. Of course, you will get power opening doors and you can open it from inside the cabin and from outside. And take a look at these seats. This is definitely something that you don't expect in a minivan. These are like my box seats. You get these really squishy headrests and the seats themselves are really wide, so they're going to be very comfortable. You can manually slide the seat forward and backwards, side to side, and you can power recline and use the power ottoman. There are plenty of amenities in the second row of the Carnival. Almost too many because kids will be fighting over this. There is plenty of legroom, and when you slide the seat all the way back, you get even more legroom. You also have heated and ventilated seats, not really something that you can feel through a car seat, however. You get storage here and more cup holders right here, and if you want to annoy your parents, you can slide the seat forward or recline it. You also get 2 seat back pockets and sunshades. There is a rear entertainment system which has to be optioned on, and you get pre-installed apps like Twitch, YouTube, podcasts, and I think this is a pretty fire infotainment system. Of course, you do have to use the Wi-Fi to get any of this, but I think it's still going to be nice on long road trips. Of course, you can use passenger talk, but you can actually talk back to the front passengers using the intercom up here. That is something that the other manufacturers didn't think of. I hope Kia knows that the back of the minivans are for kids, so why would they put these buttons here? Because you're not going to be driving a celebrity in the back of a minivan, let's be real. But these seats are awesome. We use the seats in our Sienna all the time with the ottomans and the super long slide feature. So this is going to be nice on long road trips, but you're going to see all the sacrifices that have to be made. When you push a button in here, to get the seat in that position, you're just going to have to hold this button right here to recline the seat all the way back. And then there is another switch down here to make the ottoman connect. Can extend. People with longer legs are out of luck because you can't really extend the ottoman, but I guess it's not going to be that big of a deal. And last but certainly not least, you get your own sunroof back here that opens up. Minivans are meant to bring around children, not celebrities, let's be real. So Kia obviously doesn't know that. Getting into the third row is such a pain. You basically have to slide the seat forward manually and basically have the seat crush you as you lean over and have the seats move forward. So this is a demonstration of how I got the seats forward in real life. Like, who is going to have the time to reach over like this, have the seat crush them, and climb on in and reverse the process? Nobody is going to have that time. So this is where I think they should have called Toyota. But I eventually got into the back here, and it's not bad. The seat back is in plastic, which is good because kids are going to be back here kicking it. And you get nice amenities like cup holders, a little storage area, sunshades, and you also get USB ports. This needs to be thought out better. Now let's take a look at the cargo area because this is very important for a minivan because you'll be hauling around a lot of people and a lot of stuff in this car. I am very happy to say that you will find class-leading figures in almost all configurations. Behind the third row, you get 40.2 cubic feet of cargo room. That is about the same as most extended SUVs, and the Toyota Sienna comes closest to the Carnival in this class at 33.5 cubic feet. But still, the Carnival is better by 6.7 cubic feet. When you fold down the third row, you get 87 cubic feet. The Pacifica beats this by 1 cubic foot, but you can still barely see the difference. When you take out the mid-row, if you don't have the VIP lounge seats, then you will have 145 cubic feet. That is truly impressive for any car, and it amazes me that this Carnival has about the same amount of trunk space as a car that's 2 feet longer than it. But you will have to sacrifice a lot of room if you get the VIP lounge seats, so just keep that in mind.